listening to Oncle Jazz.
So we just arrived at Klang Airport. Lagi ngurus menemani while our supervisors.
Jadi semuanya di sini. Tapi fokus sekarang tugas Bapak Ibu sampai di negara saya adalah membantu perekonomian Malaysia. Jangan lupa ya.
They're going for breakfast. Good morning from Ipoh. Ada gunung. Gua tembusan, terus kayak ada bisa naik sebenarnya ke paling tinggi, tapi itu kayak butuh waktu beberapa jam gitu, soalnya dia ada 3 cara tangga. Jadi kita cuma stay di bawah buat sembahyang and taking picture. Ada yang bersembunyi. Kita beli mie di sini. Ini warna hijau. Garam. Ini terkenal chicken biscuit dia, tapi yang versi tebal dan yang crispy yang kuat. Mencari tahu tapi nggak tahu di mana, malah nyasar lagi. Si mau mencari tahu tapi tak ada. Bukan ini biskuit doang, dia harusnya ada tulisannya.
Wasn't the same and
Contoh.
Bahannya terus ketuan pakaian desain
so comfortable. No one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful. The star could never shine as bright as you. Even the dark, they still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. It's not magical the way I feel when you walk in the room. It's not optional. How gravity just pulls me right to you, to you. Even the dark, they still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you.
Sudah pakai seragam semua. Even me. We just arrived at Little India of Klang.
Feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. Spend my whole life waiting for someone like you, babe. And all these broken roses led to you. Spend my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby. And all these broken roses led to you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you.
Hari ini jalan ke mall dulu, nanti sore sampai jam 3 di sore baru kita ke金門會館ya teman. Our meeting point jam 3. We got our things for free. Lanjut ke puzzle. Let's see what we got here. Ada yang kecil, dapat 4 pieces buat Noki. Then I bought this yang kayak kecil juga, lucu banget, udah tambah. And also buat Kak Silvi, kasih itu Shiba buat kulkas gitu. Apalagi nyoba baju sambil menunggu. Ini 2 aja cukup.
itu durian dengan gigi.
Ini durian ini. Ini durian.